Hello everyone. Today I've made a new project, which is the snake game. I took the idea from Google Play Games. Hope you like it.
Hello everyone, my name is Shonal and I'm from St. Joseph Educational Institute, Chandor. And today I've made a project which is the snake game on Scratch on Pictoblox. This game is available on the Google Play. You can play it for free. I have taken the idea and I've made this game. So here is the code. First I've used when flag clicked and then switch backdrop to main backdrop, which is gonna be my backdrop for the snake game. Then I put show and set size to 60. Then I made up three variables and I put the block set length to 0 and set points to 0 and set direction to right. I'm gonna set the snake's length to 0 at the start of the game. Then I put points to 0 because the points will be restarted. Then I put set direction to right because when the flag is clicked, it will start moving to the right. Then I use go to x0 and y0. Then I put control 1, which is the code, the entire code of the block control 1. Then I put if direction is equal to up, then change y by 5. Because if my direction is up, then I have to change y by 5. And if my direction is down, if I tell him to move down, my direction. If I tell him to move down, then if the y should change by -5. Then I put direction is equal to left, then change x by -5, and direction is equal to right, then change x by 5. Then I've created a clone of myself and then I put hide variable direction and hide variable length because I don't need them in this entire game. Then now let's move on to the movement of the snake. When right arrow key is pressed, if not direction is equal to left, then set direction to right. When right arrow key is pressed, it is gonna set the direction to right. And then I put if not direction is equal to left because if I'm going to the right, it should not come to the left directly. It will have to go up or down and then move to the left. I've duplicated this and I put when up arrow key is pressed, if not direction is equal to down, then set direction to up. Then I put when down arrow key is pressed, if not direction is equal to up, then set direction to down. Then I put when left arrow key is pressed, if not direction is to right, then set direction to left because we are going to the left. Then I've put define touching edge. I made a block which is the touching edge and then I put if touching edge, then switch backdrop to blue sky, which is the backdrop when the game ends to say game over. So if it is touching the edge, the game should be over. So I put switch backdrop to blue sky. In that backdrop I put game over and all that stuff. Then I put hide because after the game ends, the snake should be hidden. Then I'm broadcasting game over because I will tell you all why, because I will tell you all later. Then I put touching edge over here. Then I put when flag click touching edge. I could put a forever block here before if touching edge. I didn't put because it is in the rules not to use the forever block. So I had to do when flag clicked and then I put the touching edge code. Then I made when I start as a clone bit length seconds delete this clone. It is about that when every time it eats, it should grow and then after waiting a certain amount of time, it will delete itself. Then I put when I receive game over stop all. I put when I receive game over from the broadcast game over. When it is the edge, that means the game is over and I'm gonna stop this entire script. So now with this, our code for the snake is over. Now let us move on for the apples code. In the apple's code, I put when flag clicked, show, and then go to X, pick random, -240 to 240, Y, pick random, -180 to -180. Why? Because I have given it a particular radius for it to randomly spawn, for the apple to randomly spawn. Then I have to define snake eating. This is because I can't use the forever block. Then I put if touching snake, then change length by 0.1. If the snake is touching the apple, then I'm gonna increase my length by 0.1. Then I put change points by 1 because every time you eat an apple, the points will increase by 1. Then I've copy pasted the go to pick random, then give 240 to 240 and stuff. Then I put snake eating. Now remember that I have used the broadcast game over. Yes, this is because I used it. When I received game over, hide, because it is basically used to send messages to other sprite. So it told him that the game is over and now the apple should be hidden. With this, our code is over, and now I will show you all how the code works. The border, and as you can see, I lost the game. Let us play it again. And this is it for this video. I hope you liked my code. Thanks for watching.